Hello friends, today we have to see the next point in the first chapter, that is the history of internet and protocol. Okay, first we have to see the history of internet, that is where the internet is formed. One by one, keep in your mind the steps of the internet. That is the first one, ARPA. See, the ARPA is the agency which is formed in 1960, Advanced Research Project Agency, which introduced the internet firstly. Then second, the use of this ARPANET is converted into the ARPANET, which is formed by the US Defense Academy, Defense Agency or Academy. Okay, that is the second, ARPANET, which is formed by the Defense Academy, US Defense Academy. Next, this ARPANET used packet switching, which is used packet switching for sending and receiving of the message to and fro. Okay, sending and receiving of the message from the soldiers. Third one is this ARPANET is then formed the WWW, that is the World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Okay. Third is the Usenet. This World Wide Web is converted into the Usenet. That is the facility of email is used here. Okay. And last one, this Usenet is converted into the internet. Today we use this internet. Okay, that is the history of the internet. Basically, internet, how to define internet? It is a network of networking, that is the communication in between two computers is called as the internet. Okay, internet is used, that is the network of networking, that is the network. Suppose, for example, this is the net, this computer is communicated with this computer through this manner. Okay, network of networking, that is it is the network of nested network is called as a internet. Okay, that is the history of the internet. Here in the ARPANET, then used protocol, that the HTTP, hypertext transmission protocol, is used here in the ARPANET. Okay, that is the history of the, in 1990 the World Wide Web, in 1990 the World Wide Web is used, which is a internet. Okay, that is the briefly history of the internet. See here, start, that is the definition of internet. Definition of internet, that is the network of networking is called as the internet. Simply where you write only, it is a network of networking, that is the net in between another net, it's called as a internet simply. Okay, then histories come from ARPA agency to last one internet ARPA, then ARPANET used for the US Defense Academy. Here is used the technology that is the packet switching for receiving and sending of the message. Then another is this converted into the www, that is the World Wide Web. Then this is converted into the Usenet, which is used for email. Email is electronic mail for receiving and sending of message, for the document sending or any picture sending. That is the email is used here, Usenet. And the last one is the internet, formed in 1990. That is the history of the brief history of the internet. Then what are the protocols are used in the internet here? See here, what is protocol? Protocol, it is the rules for the communication. It is the rules for the communication of one computer to another computer. It is the rules for the communication of one computer to another. That is the protocol. Okay. Then what are the protocols are used in the communication here? Here one by one. First is the TCP/IP. TCP/IP. One. TCP/IP is Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol. Internet Protocol. Okay. Transmission Control Protocol. It breaks down the message into the packet and sends them into the network. Message converted here into the packet and then sending. That is the TCP/IP protocol. Second is the DNS protocol. That is the domain naming system. Domain name system. Domain naming system. It converts network address into the understood by the human. That is the domain name. Network address into the human understandable address. Okay, that is the function of the domain naming system. Network address is converted into human understandable address. Then third one, DHCP protocol. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Okay, that is DHCP. It is assigned the automatic address, IP address, to computers and users. It assigns IP address automatically. DHCP assign IP address automatically, Internet Protocol address automatically. Then next is fourth one, FTP, File Transmission Protocol. transmission protocol. If we have to upload any file or download any file, we require the FTP protocol. Without FTP protocol, we can't upload or can't download any file. Okay? A protocol that is used to transfer files on the internet. To transfer file on internet. तुम्हाला जर इंटरनेटवर जर फाईल यांनी ट्रान्सफर करायची असेल तर तुम्हाला FTP हा प्रोटोकॉल लागेल. नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वन HTTP हायपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसमिशन प्रोटोकॉल. ओके. It is used for sending and receiving web on internet. Okay, next one 6 is IMAP. IMAP means Internet Message Access Protocol. Internet Message Access Protocol. Internet Message Access Protocol. Any email receiving from or sending from server, this protocol is used. Message receiving from server. Message receiving from server. For that purpose we have to use IMAP. Next one 7. Seven is IRC protocol, that is the Internet Relay Chat. Internet Relay Chat. Internet chat and other communication. It facilitates communication in the form of text. For the chatting purpose, only for text chatting purpose, this IRC protocol is used. Then 8 POP3, that is the version number 3, Post Office Protocol. Post Office Protocol version 3, version 2, version 1, version 4. Next one, a protocol used for receiving email from remote mail server. Receiving mail purpose used this POP3. Next 9 SMTP, that is the last protocol. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Sending email message to the server. It is a receiving, it is sending mail to server. That is the sending purpose, that is the receiving purpose. Okay, that are the protocols are used in the internet. Okay, then today's lecture we have to see basic history of the internet, where history is formed, what is the emergence of the history, Briefly, you have to keep in your mind the history is started from ARPA agency, ARPANET, then Usenet, ARPANET, then www, World Wide Web, then Usenet, and lastly the Internet is formed. Then protocols, there are 9 protocols, that is the TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP, FTP, HTTP, IMAP, IRC, POP3, and last one SMTP, Simple Mail Transmission Protocol. That are the protocols used in the Internet. Today's lecture we have to see the history of the Internet and what are the protocols are used for the communication purpose. Here there are 9 protocols are used in the Internet. Okay, today we have to stop here. Then next part we have to see in a next lecture. Okay, thank you.